From this to this, pow! How you like me now? Jacob's Jewels. So today I'm going to show y'all, my hands are dirty because I've been working. I'm going to show you guys how to clean a silver grill. Okay? First of all, we need some foil. We need to stuff this with foil. Okay? This is how you clean any silver. Okay? This is what we want to do. Alright? Try not to make no holes in it. Next, we want to add salt. Enough salt. You can do sea salt. You can do the pink salt. You can do any kind of salt. It don't matter. As long as it's salt. Okay? Next, you want to do vinegar. Okay? So I got my white vinegar here. Alright, so y'all can see it's white vinegar. Okay? We're going to pour it in here. We want to pour it like that, okay? I'm going to get my grill. Let me find it in here. Okay, my hands is a little bit dirty. I'm going to go wash my hands. Alright. So, as you can see, we have some spots here. My hands is dirty now. I did put it in a tumbler. I'm not going to put that in there just yet, y'all. Next, we're going to add baking soda. Okay? And this is my favorite part. Don't matter how much you add, the more baking soda, the more it get clean. See? Now you put it in there. Okay? And this is how you clean silver. And when I say it gets cleaned, it gets clean. Alright? You can leave that in there for about 15 minutes to an hour. And watch how it really cleans up. If you want to activate it again, you will put more baking soda in there. So let me grab my baking soda. Okay? The baking soda activates it to clean it. Alright. Leave it in there for, 30 minutes to an hour. And your silver will come out spectacular. So clean. Okay? So this is how you clean silver. Not only that, so I come back because I want to show you guys how it's getting clean. The black stuff is coming off. As you can see, it's floating in the water. Now, one thing I do want to tell you guys, let me see if I can turn on the light for you guys. They done took my light. 1 second. I'll be right back. After you clean this in this method, what we're going to do, we're going to take the dishwashing soap and put it on toothpaste. Look at that. I mean, when I say this gets clean, it gets clean. Okay? If you don't want to stick it in there for a long time, you will take the next step. You will take this, okay? A toothbrush just for this, okay? Let me grab my stuff, okay? You take a toothbrush, and then you go over the sink, okay? And the next step is to use Dawn, okay? Just like how you will brush your teeth, you will use it the same way. Don't get it in this, but I'm going to go over the sink, and I'll be back. So as you can see, you can stick this back in there. The Dawn soap and the toothbrush really gets it clean. You want it shining, okay? And that's how you brush it with silver. You can also do it with gold too. The Dawn with gold as well, but do not put your gold in here. This is only for silver. Okay? So we go ahead and take this on out. Look at that. So clean. All right, and that's how you clean silver. So this person is going to be getting a blue opal in the inside. This is a gap filler, okay? See, we gap filled it. And, uh-oh, sorry for shaking the camera. All right. That is her grill. Uh-oh. So let's go ahead and put the opal in the inside of this, because I know she can't wait to have this. This was so easy with doing. Turn this to the side there. And let's get some blue opal. She wants blue. So I have blue. Uh-oh, my orange opal fell. I have many blues. Let's see. Sorry for shaking the camera again. I'm gonna do the bigger pieces of the blue. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. And let me grab I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out, because we don't need it no more. And by the way, that right there will cause crystals. So you leave it out, it'll form crystals. All right, so I'm gonna get my glue, of course, put it on the side here. and keep walking back and forth because my bathroom is like right here. And I need to walk back and forth because I don't feel like carrying the phone with me every step of the way. So you hear me far back because I had to get some tissue for this. And we're going to just add a little glue in there already. I don't think I did enough glue, y'all. So let me try this again because it's not enough glue. Really, it's not. Okay. You just want to add just enough glue so that we can fill her on upper. Okay. That's a nice, big, pretty piece. Yeah, I think the bigger pieces will be better. We want to fill it in quite a bit. You want big and small pieces. For this. And just play around with it until they fit in together. Almost like a puzzle. And this is the part where you can grab the smaller opal. And let's do that. I'm gonna grab the smaller opal. You have to excuse this. Kind of shake it in there. We're filling in the gaps. Get a little bit more. I want to fill in some gaps over here. Okay. Wipe that off. Go around this edge. Get any opal off of there. All right. I'm going to take some more of this, put on top of it. kind of coat it. Not too much. I don't want it to seep over. All right, and there you have it.